Hi, my name is Angie. I'm one of Dr. Rothler's CAs.
We are located close to the corner of Howe Branch Road and Lake Howe Road in Winter Park. And now I'd like to give you a brief tour of our office. You'll be greeted by one of our friendly team members. And while you're in the reception area, please feel free to use our reception center. Once your paperwork is complete, you will be escorted to our exam room where Dr. Rothler will personally consult with you. We have a variety of treatment rooms throughout the office. Our front therapy room is where patients will use the vibration plate, wobble boards, e-stim, pulse, and have ice therapy, all depending on the patient's needs.
And one day, we hope to see you on our wall of wellness.
We have several different types of lasers. This is our Class 4 cold laser room. Chiropractic treatments are performed in the doctor's adjusting rooms. This is one of our decompression rooms for people with cervical and lumbar disc bulges, protrusions, and herniations, helping them to avoid habit-forming drugs and needless surgery. This is our peripheral neuropathy area, which includes red light diodes, vibration, and laser therapies in the comfort of our zero-gravity chairs. We also offer shockwave therapy and knee decompression therapy. We hope you've enjoyed your brief office tour, and we're looking forward to meeting you in person and to help you get your life back.